Hey guys, I'm going to do a review today on a new toy that I bought. It's the Hilti BX322 ME22, and it's their okay. I called all my workers and asked where my powder actuator gun is. Nobody knew where it was. We put it up, everyone's put it up. So I needed one, and I was just going to buy another one. It's the Hilti, it's a Hilti DX 460. It's, at the time it was what their best, and I loved that machine. The recoil was very minimal. So you could use that thing all day long, and without fatigue and stuff like that. It was a little heavy, but it worked great. Our company, we do a lot of steel stud framing, and so we're always shooting track into concrete, and then we're shooting track into steel beams. And this thing, it worked great, and so I was like, oh crap, I got it stolen or something. So anyways, I went back online, Hilti, and I was going to buy another one. So I started looking around, and I decided to buy the battery operated one. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at what you get, and lo and behold, after I got the new one of my workers calls me up and he says, "Oh, I have it in my truck." So I got that back. So now I have two, and I can actually do a comparison. So let's see what we got in the box. All right. So this is what you get. Pretty much not much anything. It's a naked tool that I got. You got your instructions. One downside is I had to buy a new battery, and it's a larger battery than their regular Hilti. Okay, this is their Hilti that all of my drills, impact drivers, and all that stuff from Hilti that I have. Huge difference. So they don't interchange. So if you're going to buy this route, you're going to have to get the charger also. So I haven't even picked this thing up yet. So we got a new battery. I got a blue light, and blue light means that it's ready to go. Okay, there it is. No, it's not. Oh, that sits there. Oh, it doesn't. I don't know how this thing goes at all. that's kind of cheesy. Nope. So there isn't a spot for the charger. Yes, there it is, right there. Nope. Well, I guess that's going to be the spot for the charger right there. So these are the nails. They come in a strip. Nails slide in the back. Very cool. Alright, so the green light means that it's ready to go. It's loaded, battery charged, there's no malfunctions. So let's go out and shoot something. Ooh, that's loud. Oh, it's got a little light. That's so cool. Very cool. I like that. Okay, now it just needs a better storage. I don't know if that'll shut. Nope. Yeah, it'll shut. So that'll store that. What the hell? That was weird. Alright, shoot, I like that. Benefit with this one compared to this one, which, you know, I've had this for years and it still works great. Idiot workers don't know how to put it up. Benefits. This one over this one. As far as safety is concerned, you have to be certified to operate this one. You go through training. If OSHA comes to a job site and sees somebody using this, they can ask for their qualifying certificate with this to operate this. This one, you don't need that. This one, you pretty much have to yell out, fire in the hole, because it sounds like that. It sounds like you're shooting a gun. This one is quieter than most, like I said, I'm not knocking this. I love this machine. It works just unbelievable. Matter of fact, let's load it up, take it out. Let's show you that thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is an 1.5-inch pin. Those are inch pins. And we'll shoot this one right here. Like I said, this one is, I love this machine. I don't have anything against it. Except when my workers use it, they don't clean it. That's why it's stuck like that. I'm going to be very happy with this thing. I'm kind of excited to go do some framing. So that's a side-by-side comparison with the battery. Even with the battery, it feels lighter. Actually, I could go weigh it, and I'll tell you guys what the difference is. This one is fully adjustable on your depth. It's at 1 right now. That's why it didn't shoot down. If I wanted to take that all the way to the bottom, I'd go to 4, and I could also use a hotter shot. Red is a lot more than the yellow, but we most usually get away with yellow. So that's about it. I'm kind of excited about this thing. They also have a gas-powered one, but I had absolutely no desire to buy that one. You got your hook. You could hook it, and then you have your leash. You could leash it, or you could hook it here. It also has Bluetooth, and you go to your phone, what's the matter? Come on. There it is. How to. Oh, that's cool. How to videos. Documents. Operating instructions. That is very cool. Okay. So the Bluetooth actually, it reads the account, the charge, anything wrong, anything wrong with it. That's very cool. I like this thing. I can't wait to start framing with it. If you have any questions, hit me up. And in a couple of weeks, you could probably hit me up again, and I can tell you how I like it. I think this will go back into the truck, and I'll let my workers continue using that one. I'm going to use this one. All right, that's my video. You guys take care. Talk to you later. Bye.